Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can edit your video with a much simpler video editing tool so that you can upload them without being flagged by YouTube. On my desktop, there's a program I use here. It's called Wondershare Filmora version 15. It's the one I've been using to edit all the works that you have been seeing, guys, and it's simpler to use. It also has AI in it. Yeah, so this is the timeline. So here it has where you can select the stock media if you want anything. If you want motion background, the background that moves, yeah, you can select it from here. It has so many effects in it. You see, it has this motion background. You can select all the effects that you need. It has like all the motion background. It has everything. So even if you want audios, it has audios here. You can select your own audios, or it provides you with its own audios. You can select the audios. This is free. This audio is free to use, so you can select it and you come and you drag it here. As you can see, you drag this audio and put it anywhere in the timeline. This is the audio timeline, as you can see. Yeah, so then you can also look for other music, free music here. Everything you see here is free. YouTube doesn't have a right to copyright anything inside here because it was inbuilt within the program. So you bring your audio and you put it. After downloading it, as you can see, you have to make sure that you're connected online here, because I'm connected. So you download this audio, you put it down here in the timeline. So this is the video timeline. You just highlight all your video clips, edits, and you extend them here. Yeah, and also you can copy this and you duplicate it into two if you don't want to be dragging and dropping every time. You just do the same thing. You copy them, you bring them here, and you extend them here. So that's how you then you get your audio, you put it down here, as you can see in the audio timeline. So you can also duplicate all this, or even if you don't want to duplicate, you go back to the stock media here. You go on getting these free backgrounds. These backgrounds are for free and you can always find them in the stock here. You come and put them here. You download another stock and you also put it again in the video timeline. I'll be putting this link in the description where you can get this software, or you can pay and I send you this software. It is a much easier tool to use. This is what I've been using to edit all the movies. So today I decided to give you this tool so that you can see how you can edit your content without being flagged by copyright on YouTube. So basically, in this short video, I just wanted to show you how you can edit your work without being interrupted by YouTube copyright system. So that is it for today. I'm going to show you how the project looks like after being edited. Actually, this content is all inbuilt within this program. It is not from anywhere. This content I've used is all inbuilt in this program, as you can see. So basically, this is how the project is. This is how it looks like. That is how the project is looking like. That is what we have edited for today. As you can see, all this stock media comes within this program. I didn't get it from anywhere, but I got it within the program itself. You see? So after we export our program, this is where you export from, so that we export our finished program. We just put a name and then we export it. To write our project here, then we export it. After exporting, then we shall be able to upload it on YouTube. As you can see, this program is much easier to use, and as you can see,